Have you ever thought that natural hydrogen therapy, H2, can help alleviate cancer, stroke, pain and inflammation problems, insomnia, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, rheumatoid arthritis, Alzheimer's, lupus erythematosus, etc.? Hydrogen, or its chemical name H2, is the least dense and lightest gas in the world. Hydrogen is a natural gas that is non-toxic and harmless with high antioxidant properties. So, how exactly can hydrogen therapy help us improve our health? Hi, my name is Mia, a professional clinical hypnotherapist. Hydrogen is highly permeable, non-toxic and harmless, and is the only natural antioxidant that can distinguish malignant free radicals, the root cause of most diseases, from non-malignant free radicals. The antioxidant effect of hydrogen is 176 times of vitamin C. Once hydrogen enters the human body, it quickly penetrates tissue cells and various organs and removes malignant free radicals. It helps us to inhibit the root cause of diseases, allowing our body to restore bodily functions and strengthens our immune system effectively. In addition to being a powerful antioxidant to prevent and treat many diseases, hydrogen is also anti-apoptotic and anti-inflammatory with many health benefits, such as adjusting metabolism and repairing wounds. Hydrogen is also anti-aging to help you stay younger and beautiful. Hydrogen therapy is suitable for all ages, even newborns, pregnant women, the elderly, and patients undergoing cancer treatment can benefit from it. If you want to know how to utilize hydrogen to improve your current health, click the button below to get a one-to-one professional consultation. You are also welcome to click the subscribe button to learn more about it.